Hello, I'm Mark Roberts, and I'm an endangered plant conservation steward here at Clark Reservation State Park, and behind me is the eastern hemlock. The scientific name is Tsuga canadensis, and it ranges from the northeast south through the Appalachian Mountains and into north central US, and it's found throughout New York State. The eastern hemlock is a very large evergreen. It reaches about 65 feet at maturity. The needles are quite small and have two white lines on their underside. To accompany their small needles are their very small cones. The eastern hemlock is a hardy and patient tree that is very shade tolerant. Saplings can survive in as little as 5% full sunlight and can even exist 100 plus years in the shade of the understory before ever reaching the overstory. Those with trunk diameters smaller than that of a can of Coke can be well over 100 years old. This being said, they are very slow growing but can live up to 600 plus years. Their pine cones provide food for many dozens of species found throughout the park, and their branches and foliage also provide critical nesting grounds for birds like the Blackburnian warbler. Native Americans had a lot of uses for the eastern hemlock, including using its antiseptic and astringent properties to treat a variety of ailments. Early American settlers used the high tannin content within the tree as a tanning process for leather. This was seen throughout the Catskills in the 1800s. Currently, a threat faces the future for these critical species in our ecosystem. The hemlock woolly adelgid, often abbreviated as HWA, is an invasive insect that has been establishing itself across the state. We have been actively conducting HWA surveys throughout the park and sharing our data with the Cornell New York State Hemlock Initiative, which has been leading the defense against this unwelcome pest in New York. There's a variety of ways that you can help, and I would highly recommend checking out their website.